Alright, we're out here for a headshot shoot in Stoneham, Mass at this little park that I found. Gonna try to make use of this massive, epic gazebo behind me. Hopefully that works out. It's super cloudy and like meh out, so probably won't get to use that reflector and nobody to hold it anyway, so who knows how that's gonna do. Brought some flash gear with me, V862 with some Magmods, a stand with an S-bracket, and the usual gear of the A7R3, 50-1.8 and 85-1.8. We'll see how that does. Yeah, it should be pretty fun. Just waiting on our client, Bobby. He's stuck in traffic. I beat the traffic, so I'm happy with that. Driving stick in traffic is just not fun, as we all know. And vlogging is awkward as usual, because I don't think anybody vlogs around here. What is it? We're in like regular people, Massachusetts, not in Boston or anything. It's not like vlogging in New York. People are just, they stare. It's super awkward. Yeah. Nope, that's our guy over there. Sweet. So for this last shot, I actually forgot to record the behind the scenes, and my bad. But story behind it is I wanted to get one more shot. Since Bobby's a real estate agent, I wanted to get one more that would really say real estate agent, and the location we were at wasn't really fitting for just that, you know what I mean? For business cards and whatever, it was great. But I wanted to get that one last shot, so we hopped in my car, drove around, and we sort of just picked a house that would really sell the look, you know what I mean? And yeah, this house made a great background. So yeah, that was the last shot, and hope you guys liked the video. If you did, smash that like button in the bottom right there, or wherever it is, I forget. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.